Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about IoT. In this video, we will see the different aspect to define the Internet of Things. So basically, Internet of Things is written as an IoT. And IoT, what is the meaning of IoT? If we see this IoT word, then it consists of two words, Internet and one is thing. So here, what is thing? Thing are the different physical devices such as appliances, vehicle that are embedded with the software, sensors and connectivity. So these are representing the things, and these things are able to communicate with each other. So there are different physical devices. Suppose these three physical devices are able to communicate with each other and able to exchange data also. And there is a web connectivity also in between these physical devices. So basically, Internet of Things is a global network of connected devices which can communicate with each other over via network or through network. Here network means internet, web, here web connectivity. So there are a number of physical devices such as sensors, objects, processes, all these are the physical devices. And all devices are connected to each other. How they are connected? They are connected with the help of communication modules. They can exchange data with the help of communication protocols, and in between the devices and in between devices and the cloud, there will be connectivity, web connectivity. So this technology allow the collection and sharing of the data. So with the help of this technology, IoT, it is possible to collect the data in real time and share that data. And this can be done for a vast network of devices. So the number of devices are huge, and by doing this it create opportunity for a more efficient and automated system. So this help to design efficient and automated systems. Again, here in this slide you can see what is written. Internet of Things is the network of physical objects. Network of physical objects. And these objects are embedded with the electronics, softwares, sensors, network connectivity. So all these things are included in that network of physical objects. And because of this, these objects able to collect and exchange the data. And it allow object to be sensed and controlled remotely across the existing network infrastructure, creating opportunity for the more direct integration between the physical world and the computer based system. So basically IoT connect the physical world and computer based system, and this will result in the improved efficiency, accuracy and the economic benefits. So IoT have different types, different domains, different applications, or we can say IoT have applications in different domains. For example, if we take example of healthcare domain, then in healthcare domain, different medical devices, equipments can be connected to each other. So in case of healthcare applications of IoT, what are the things? Question is that. So, for medical domain or healthcare domain, different equipments like heart monitoring implants, different machines, these are the things in the medical domain. Here you can see the list of few more things like biochip transponder on farm animals, electric arms in coastal water, automobiles with built-in sensors, DNA analysis devices for environmental food pathogen monitoring. These are the few examples of things in different applications. So above mentioned devices can collect useful data with the help of various existing technologies and then transfer that data to the cloud, and from there that data will be analyzed. So for building any IoT based application or IoT based solution, we need certain components. So here you can see the first requirement is low power embedded system. For the designing of IoT based system, we need low power embedded system. It means we need some platform that have less battery consumption and high performance. So we will look for some low power embedded systems. We need sensors. Sensors are the major part of any IoT application. It is a physical device that measure and detect the physical quantity and convert that physical quantity into analogous electrical signal that can be measured and processed for the analysis, for the further analysis. And next one is a control unit. And control unit is a small computer on a single integrated circuit having microprocessor or any processing core. And this control unit have a memory and programmable input output devices, several peripherals for the execution of different tasks, and it is responsible for the major processing work of IoT devices, and all logical operations will be done in the control units itself. Next is a cloud computing. So IoT devices collect the data, and this the collected data is a huge in size, or we can say there is a massive amount of data is collected from the IoT devices, and this data is to be stored on a reliable storage server. And for this purpose, we need data centers, we need cloud, and so that and hence cloud computing come into action, and all the data collected by the IoT devices is stored in the cloud, and that data will be processed and analyzed to giving some meaningful information. Availability of big data. IoT devices are based on sensors, and all sensors work in real time, and all these devices are spread throughout the every field, and their user is going to trigger a amount of massive amount of big data. Networking connections. In order to communicate, internet connectivity is must. Without internet connectivity, it is not possible to design an IoT solution. And here in IoT system, each and every physical object is represented by an IP address, and there are limited number of addresses are available according to IP naming, and due to growing number of devices, this naming system will not be feasible anymore. So this is the architectural view of IoT system. It consists of basically four layers. The first one is a sensor layer, or we can say smart device layer. Next one is network communication layer. Third one is service support and application support layer. And the last one is the application layer. So smart device sensor layer represent different sensors and different sensors form sensor network. There are different devices and there are different sensor nodes, and different sensor nodes are connected with each other with wireless sensor network. So all these entity represents the sensor layer. So here you can see the architectural view, and in next video we will see this each and every component in detail. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.